Tonight we're learning about last week's costly hailstorm. New numbers are out from the Rocky Mountain Insurance Information Association on just how costly the damage was.
News 5's Jessica Barreto, she joins us live near an auto shop in the Springs. And Jessica, this is a massive amount as expected.
That's right, and cars with hail damage like this one make up more than 17,000 claims, coming in at more than $104 million. And businesses here on West Fillmore Street are feeling the ripple effects of that. That's why this extra lot was added to handle all these cars pending repairs so that they don't overwhelm customers trying to visit all the other shops. Cars in need of repair flooding this parking lot on West Fillmore Street. They're all customers of Auto Glass Now, or AGN, who are busier than ever.
We book a lot of business, so therefore, say you have 20 cars coming in the morning, you got to have a spot for them.
Those spots running low.
So it is very tiny. With as many vehicles as we get through a day, as you can see here, there's not enough slots, so we have to take what we can.
It's been tough for businesses to work around the spot shortage.
We can't have anybody parking here. We're going to have a small amount of business here, and it's really hurting our shop right now.
The property owner telling me each business has an allotted number of spots, but since the hailstorm brought with it extra customers for AGN, he partnered up with a nearby lot to add an extra 15 spots, hoping to accommodate AGN while alleviating congestion.
They were just stacking cars on top of other cars. They actually had to go out there and put buckets with no parking signs, ladders, and anything they can use just to keep people to follow the parking rules out there.
On average, it takes an hour to repair each car.
We want to get them in, we want to get them out. It's a service business, you know, to please the customer.
Pleasing customers, also what Blown Vape Shop is trying to do. But right now, they're having to apologize and explain first.
All these wind damaged cars and stuff, so I do apologize, man. A lot of frustration. We actually watch them just drive and some leave, and our loyal customers will park and then they will walk up here and say, what's going on? Why are all these cars have damage? You know, they don't understand.
Even though this situation currently being resolved, the question lingers for business owners of whether it could happen again.
So we're going to continue to have, consequences from another storm. So I am very concerned about that.
Now, if another hailstorm were to hit and cars were to start pouring in again, the property owner tells me it would be up to AGN to find extra spots or risk the cars getting towed. But the owner adds the manager at AGN is doing the best she can to handle the situation. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. Jessica Barreto, News 5.